Hi, I'm Jeff Camarda, and I've got a question for you. Could you use a free portfolio stress test for your investments? What about your friends and family? I bet you could. And I wanted to tell you that we routinely offer the public free portfolio stress tests as a way of introducing our firm. This is something that you, your friends, family, and colleagues may also get a great deal of benefit from. And again, if you have accounts outside of Camarda, and I know some of you do, which is okay, but you still may find it very useful. Now, this test can help you or your referrals learn more about how likely are you to run out of money. Have you looked at that? Let's run a projection and see. What about your non-Camarda advisor? Are they a fiduciary required to put you first? Odds are very strong they're not. There are hundreds of thousands of financial advisors, believe it or not, that are not required to put their clients' interests before making money for themselves. And a lot of folks don't appreciate that, but it's an important thing to know, whether their advice is designed to improve your situation or make them more money. How well trained is your non-Camarda advisor? Do they have the education to truly be experts in the areas that they let you believe they are? What about unseen risks in your portfolio that maybe you and your advisors aren't aware of? Could they be setting you up for the next market crash? What about hidden commissions, markups, fees, and other concealed costs? Are they cutting your returns? Do you know what they're paying? I'm continually astonished by people when we do these tests that tell me they had no idea of what the commissions and markups and other costs were. They thought it was free. They were led to believe it was free, and I may hide those costs pretty well in many cases, but the actual costs can be astonishingly high. Are your investments appropriate for your age and needs? Do you have any really high-risk ones that you didn't know about that maybe you shouldn't have? Are you properly diversified, or is your risk dangerously concentrated so one stock or one segment or one asset class could drag the whole portfolio much lower than it should? What are the independent Morningstar ratings and returns on the investments that you own? Now, this test can help yield very valuable insight on trouble spots in your planning and portfolio before they may burn you. You and your referrals can use these results in any way you see fit. Even if you don't want to move these outside assets to Camarda, at least you know what the score is and can take appropriate action wherever they are. Knowledge is power, and this test really should give you plenty of power that you can put to use right away. So if you have non-Camarda accounts or referrals who might, please call us at 800-262-1083 to learn more about this test and how to get through it. Or call your CWA at their direct line, or email me personally at J, that's the letter J, at CAMARDA.com. Tell us you want the free portfolio stress test, and for your referrals, be sure we get their phone numbers and email address so we can easily and quickly set this up, and make sure you get credit for the referral and we can get you a nice gift card. You might want to do this before it may be too late. The market's constantly moving, and you don't know really what's in your portfolio until you know. So see. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Jeff Camarda.